the beginning of 2020. I was over at a friend's house. We had gone out earlier that night. Next thing I knew, my friend's dog lunged at me and attacked me. I got attacked right in the face and the lips. I honestly was just shocked it happened. I was just trying to control the bleeding and collect myself at first. I was screaming at my friend that she needed to call 911 because I think she was just in so much shock. But they didn't call 911. The dog owner's father actually left me at the hospital. He left me with no cell phone, so I couldn't call any of my friends or my family. I was in there for a week by myself. It was a lot to wake up and police officers and animal control and nurses and doctors being there and half of your lip is gone. It was definitely something I never thought I would go through. When I was laying there in the bed, I talked to a friend that does a lot of dog training. I reached out to her and I was like, hey, I don't know what to do. What do you think I should do? And she just said, sue, and recommended the Zagoria Law Firm. I remember when I first hired David, he told me right when he knew that this case was going to be a difficult case. And I just said, okay, I trust you. I never really have said this out loud before, but my biggest fear was somebody just believing in me. David definitely made me feel heard and listened to, and I felt like I was in good hands when I talked to him. Just in that initial meeting, I just felt that justice was going to be on my side, holding that family accountable for what their dog did to my face. It was me against what felt like an army, and with the Zagoria Law Firm, I felt like I had my own army. If something like this were to happen to you and you needed to hire the Zagoria Law Firm, just know that you're not going to be alone. Trust David, trust the process. At the end of the day, he's going to fight for you and do what's right because that's just genuinely who he is.